Hello there. Welcome you all in another tutorial of AWS. Today, I am going to talk and demonstrate the most essential service in AWS, which is Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or in short EC2. Knowing EC2 is fundamental of how cloud work and configure. Amazon EC2 is essential web service, which enables the cloud environment for organization and development. Using Amazon EC2, any organization can achieve the virtual data center setup instantly. Amazon EC2 provides the secure, resizable compute environment in the cloud. EC2 flexible functionalities help any organization to web-scale cloud computing easier for development, and certainly it is cost-efficient, and this minimizes downtime. It provides the total control on your computing resources like servers, storage, security. Plus, it comes with the possibility to configure or deploy the software available in AWS or use external software. Let's understand key pointer for EC2. EC2 provides the broad selection of hardware and software. That means AWS has variety of servers and software available which we can select for our project. This is important to remember that servers are called as EC2 instance. EC2 allows the global hosting. Thus, you can access your server from anywhere. Pay only for instance which are running or resources which are consuming. That means if you are not using instance, then stop them and you will not be billed for that. Let's understand the main feature of AWS which makes it special and easier. You can rent the virtual machine. This is called the EC2 instance. Add the storage data on virtual machine. This is called the EBS or Elastic Block Storage. EC2 makes distribution of load across machines equally. This is known as ELB or Elastic Load Balancing. Scaling the service automatically using Auto-Scaling Group, or ASG. EC2 instance will scale up or down in terms of resources automatically based on the load. Now talk about how to use EC2 service and what are the components required for EC2 configuration. Select pre-configured or template Amazon machine image, or we call it AMI, to start immediately. Select the capacity of machine. How powerful machine we need, in terms of CPU, memory, storage, networking capacity. Enable the default firewall security and enable the network access to our EC2 instance. Select the storage capacity as per your need. This is called Elastic Block Storage. Security group is a set of firewall rules which controls the traffic for our instance. By default, outgoing traffic is always open. Pay only for instance which are running or resources which are consuming. That means if you are not using instance, then stop them and you will not be billed for that. Few important points to remember. You can specify which IP range can access EC2 instance. Incoming firewall setting for EC2 gives IP range 0.0.0.0/0, which stands for incoming request is allowed from all IP ranges. SSH port is 22. HTTP port is 80. HTTPS port is 443. Pay only for instance is running or resource you are consuming. So stop the instance if not using. Instance has different state. Running, that means instance is running. Stop, instance is stopped. Terminate, that means if any instance is set as terminated, that instance will be deleted, and resources are released. That's it for EC2 introduction. In next video, I am going to demonstrate the EC2 configuration. Hope you find this tutorial useful and easy. I will keep uploading more AWS tutorial videos. For now, I am signing out. Bye and stay safe.